guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherimo. Today I'll be talking about the Nigerian slang. If you're a new subscriber here, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Don't also forget to comment and like this video. You can as well share this video. Today we'll be talking about the Nigerian slang and the Warri slang. Warri is situated in Delta State, and they have this kind of pidgin English that they speak here. Most of the Nigerian slang I'll be talking about today is in pidgin English. The pidgin English they speak in Warri is quite different, and I wrote down some terms that they use to illustrate things in Warri. Let's go to the Warri Pidgin English. The Warri Pidgin English is simply spoken like this. The Pidgin English they speak in Warri is quite different from other Pidgin English. And when you want to speak the Warri Pidgin English, you have to use your facial expression, body language, hand signs, and others to demonstrate what you are talking about. I will give you an example of Pidgin English and Warri Pidgin English. Slang in Warri, Delta State. When you want to say 20 naira, you don't say give me 20 naira in Warri. I recently learned it. When you want to say, give me 20 naira in Warri language is green. You get green. 50 naira is sky because it's blue. It's sky blue. So it's referred to as blue. You get blue. You get sky. You get sky. That is 50 naira. Oh boy, give me sky face. Give me sky face. Then the 100 naira is referred to as H. 100 naira is H. 200 naira is 2H. Not give me 200 naira first. Give me 2H first. 500 naira is 5H. 1000 naira is 1K. Yes, we don't say give me 20 naira. Give me 50 naira. Give me 100 naira. Give me 200 naira. Give me 300 naira. Give me 1000. Give me 500. No. They would refer you as 5K, 2K, 1K, 5-ish, 2-ish, ish. 50 is referred to as sky. 20 naira is green. You get green there. You go wundo simply means you will wunjo. You will wunjo. You will injure yourself. You will get yourself injured. That is the meaning of you go wundo. It's telling you, you go wound is like a warning. You go wundo. You go wundo, boy, you go wundo. Slang, they will see that guy just is swear. It just is swear. It's that guy just is swear. It just is spread. It just is spread. The guy just is spread like virus. What does that mean? Somebody just is swell. How come somebody swell? See that guy. See that sis. It just is swell. It just is swear, Lenia. It just is swear. Just is swear. A proud person in Warri slang is referred to as person with the swell up, with the swear, with the spread. A proud person that has someone that has pride is referred to as someone with the swell, with the spread like virus. See the guy with the guy that spread like virus. See the guy, see carry big belly like person with swallow pussy. In this actual sense, can someone swallow cat? In the actual sense, can someone swallow cat? It's a slang. It just carry big belly. See the belly wide like basin. Do like person we say he swallow pussy. you just they do anyhow. In Pidgin English, they will say you just they do anyhow. In Warri Pidgin English, just they do anyhow. You use your mouth, your facial expression, your hands, your body to illustrate. It just they do anyhow. You they do anyhow. Just they carry do anyhow. You being wish. Oboye simply means my friend, or is when you are excited, you can simply tell the person that like guy, oh boy. Meaning if you see it, oh boy. Oh boy is simply like wonders. Illustration of wonders, oh boy. In Warri, someone will say, make I slap your conscience. Does anyone know where your conscience is? Tell me, does anyone know where your conscience is? Make I slap your conscience. No one can slap your conscience, but it's just a threat. Someone is threatening you. Say, make I slap your conscience. Make I run enter you. It's an expression of annoyance. Make I slap your conscience. It's threatening you, it's a threat. In Warri slang, they will say the guy they yarn no pata. That guy does a yarn no pata. It's not the guy they yarn no pata. The guy just a yarn no pata. He's just talking anyhow. That's what no pata mean. No pata means talk anyhow. Eyes is frog. Big eyes, grow eyes, big eyes like my own. That's grow eyes. Pussy is cat. When someone has body odor, it simply referred to as that guy they wooze, or that babe they wooze. Wooze is odor, body odor. That's what wooze is. That person is woozing. That guy they wooze. You can refer to the person as total, fourth oil, or handle, or handle, meaning body odor. Money. When you want to refer to money, you don't say you get money. You get money is an insult here. You would say you get money. You get money, meaning the person is asking you, you get money. The kind of you get money is simply long money. You are a billionaire, you are a millionaire. That's when someone is telling you get money. It's not you have 2,000 in your pockets. That is what the person is telling you, that you get money. It's not that one. Telling you meaning do you have money to spend? That is when they say you get money. You get money. In Warri language, when they say that guy base, what is base? Bese, bese, bebody, bese, 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 bebody. Warri, they will say that guy base. Base is simply Iran away. That guy base center, Iran lost, meaning he ran away. Another one I've heard is Tufiakwa. It's an Igbo language. When they say Tufiakwa, what is Tufiakwa? Tufiakwa in this side of Delta, when you want to say Tufiakwa, you will use your hand to demonstrate it. Tufiakwa. You don't say Tufiakwa. You say Tufiakwa. Mwah. Tufiakwa. Tufiakwa simply means God forbid. Abomination. That is what Tufiakwa means. God forbid. It's something that has been seen, but it's not supposed to happen. You will refer it as Tufiakwa. Look at me. Tufiakwa. 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 And it has one funny thing they say in Warri is you be wish. The Pidgin English will say you be witch, or English language you will say you are a wish or you are a witch. But in Warri, the way people refer to as witch is not what we refer to as witch. What we refer to as witch is quite different from the witch people talk in Pidgin English. In Warri, when someone say you be witch, this is how they pronounce it, not witch, you be witch. You be witch. See my face. You be witch. That is how they say it. You be witch. You be witch. That is what they say. You be witch. They draw it when they are saying it. They draw it like you be witch. You know they fear face. You be witch. You be witch. Being witch in Warri is not like witch that flies. It simply means someone that provokes someone to anger. Someone that is capable, you're capable. You're provoking someone to anger. It will not be telling you, you being wish. You being wish. It's telling you that you being wish, not meaning that you are flying. It does not mean that you are a witch or it caught you flying or you went to the coven. That is not what it meant. You being witch is simply telling you that you being, you know the fear face. Look me well, you know the fear face. Meaning you are not scared of me. That's what you know the fear face. You being witch. Make I run enter you. What is make I run enter you? Can someone run into you? If someone run into you in English language, simply means maybe a car or an accident. A car ran into him. But in Warri Pidgin English is simply an illustration of make I run enter you. Meaning someone that is angered is telling you make you run enter you. Is angered. That is why he's saying make I run enter you. Is angered. That's what make I run enter you means. Okay, when someone says you dey burst my brain, what does that mean? In Warri Pidgin English, you dey burst my brain. It simply means you dey burst my brain. Oh boy, you dey burst my brain. You dey burst my brain in the sense that when you dey talking, you just dey burst my brain. Burst my brain is an expression of excitement in Warri. You just dey burst my brain. Oh boy, you just dey burst my brain. Okay, another expression, another slang is that guy dey mash line. What does it mean when they say that guy dey mash line? Meaning that guy is talking at a point. That is what it means. That guy, they talk at a point. It means say the guy just dey mash line. In Warri, someone will say, see am dey sight. What is see am dey sight? What is see am dey sight? If you look at the dictionary, sight is something else. But in Warri slangs, they will say see am dey sight. What is sight? Sight is simply free. Someone is doing free. Someone is sighting, doing eye service, is showing off. Pepeye is showing off. That is someone they sight. Or you have something with someone or like an disagreement with someone and you are passing, you're swelling, you're ranting, you're doing, you say, see am dey swell. Swell is simply like an annoyance. Someone is working, is illustrating something. You say, sit down, it just the sights. Nothing they happen. What is frefre in your language? Frefre in Warri language, it simply means eye service. Frefre. You see someone doing frefre, the person sighting, they will refer it like you see and they frefre. It just a sight. It's just a sight like popcorn. See, I just the sight. It just a sight the waka. It they do frefre. Person where they do frefre. Someone says, oh boy, What is oboye? Oboye is simply an illustration. When you're talking to someone or you're referring to a guy, you can say oboye. It simply means an illustration of something. Oboye also is calling the person's attention. Oboye, someone you're talking to, you are trying to illustrate something for the person. It's simply oboye. When you want to speak Pidgin English in Warri, like an illustration I gave just now, like you decrease, you decrease, you don't decrease. That is a typical Pidgin English they speak in Nigeria. But in Warri, when you want to speak Pidgin English, like an example I just gave, like you decrease, you decrease, you don't decrease. You will simply say, you decrease, look at my face. When you want to speak Pidgin English in Warri, you use your facial expression to illustrate what you refer to so that it can show the seriousness of what you are saying. In Warri slang, they will say, see the way do face like sour soup. Meaning the person is doing his face somehow. They say do face like daybreak soup, do face like sour soup, do face like soup with the don't warm. That's it. Like, come on. Like, come on. Hey lovelies, thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you've not subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to comment in the comment section, like this video, and definitely share this video. Thanks. See you next time. Bye-bye.